Why am I exhausted all day? But the second it's time to sleep, my brain turns into a TED Talk. Like all day I'm yawning, blinking in slow motion, fighting for my life, but night hits and suddenly I'm energized. I get in bed like, okay, sleep time. My brain says,
Absolutely not.
let's think about everything you've ever done. Now I'm replaying random moments from years ago, stuff I already survived, stuff I didn't ask to remember. My body's tired, but my brain is doing parkour. And then morning comes, oh, now I'm sleepy. Now my brain wants rest. Alarm goes off and I'm like, wait. 5 more hours, please. So all day I'm a zombie, and all night I'm an overthinking philosopher. My sleep schedule makes no sense. It's not broken, it's actively working against me. At this point, my body and brain are on different time zones every single night.